Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store and tapping on the search bar on both devices. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. So we have to wait for this one to download in order to continue. After that, we need to select Send on OPPO and Receive on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send in order to transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will only select one photo, like that one, choose Send and click on Got it. Now we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then just tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on an Android, select Allow while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by tapping on some kind of Files app, for example, clicking on, in my case, Images and looking for Send Anywhere section, like that one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!